The ZWILLING Graphite 14-piece knife set is a remarkable addition to any kitchen, offering a comprehensive selection of knives that cater to a wide range of culinary tasks. One standout feature is its self-sharpening block, which ensures that your knives maintain their sharpness with every use, thanks to the built-in ceramic honing wheels. Crafted from high-quality German stainless steel, these knives are designed for precision and durability, making them a reliable choice for both amateur cooks and professional chefs. The fully forged bolster construction provides an excellent balance and a seamless transition from blade to handle, enhancing both durability and ergonomic comfort. The sleek and elegant design of the graphite line, with its satin-finished blades and smooth handles, adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen decor. This set is not only practical but also convenient, being dishwasher safe, which makes cleaning up after meals a hassle-free experience.